The Chicken Train Skifflers, it's about rocking. It's about the vibe, it's about the energy. We have a lot of fun with what we do, and we like to convey that across to the audience. We make it sort of like it's a big energy ball. We puff it up a bit when we play, we throw it out to the audience, they put more into it and throw it back, and so it goes throughout the gig.
And a piece of cake, umbrella on the shoulder, piece of paper in the hand. Yeah, she come to see the governor. She want a free her man. Well, let the midnight special shine a light on me. Well, let the midnight special shine a light on me. Well, let the midnight...
So the Chicken Train Skifflers really started off as grasshopper guts and grew into the Chicken Train Skifflers after we found the Ozark Mountain Daredevils song Chicken Train. People often say, what sort of music is that? It's a hillbilly element to it, I think. We call it Psycho-phuque-a-billy in polite company, or if it's impolite company, it'd be Psycho-phuque-a-billy. We play up like second-hand lawnmowers. We always have a good time. She's always ready, Bam-a-lam, man, she's all rock steady, Bam-a-lam, said, oh, Black Betty. Now, wait a minute, baby, your lovin' just running kind of bad. Now, wait a minute, baby, your lovin' just running kind of bad. Well, I'm a love mechanic, baby, I'm the man you should have had. Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette. Pop, 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 and if you pop yourself to death, tell St. Peter at the Golden Gate that you waste to make him wait. I just gotta have another cigarette. Why'd they say I'll see you in the morning if I live? Well, I'll see you in the morning if I don't get killed. If I ever no more, just see you again, just to show that you remember me. Yeah. Pants round his ankles, smile on his face, sweat beaded on his nose. Got a tissue for his nose. He looked up at me and he said, those calves could suck a tennis ball through a length of garden hose. He makes the strangest face that you've ever seen. Much more for a chicken to do. Walk around in chicken too. Drink the water in from the mud. And wag the tail when they pick up the grub. We love skiffle music as well. Lonnie Donegan was the master. Van Morrison, the Beatles even. You know, they started out life as a skiffle band. Some people think we're like a jug band without the jug. But ultimately it's the Chicken Train Skifflers. When she's off the rails and away it goes. So yeah, enjoy.
Jump down, turn around and pick a bell. I'm gonna jump down, turn around and pick a bell. Jump down, turn around.
Shake your belly cotton. Oh, your mama pig belly.
Thank you. Woo! Thank you, folks.